Good morning to all. I am Akriti from BBA AKU 5th semester batch 1. I am here to give a presentation in e-commerce. First of all, I would like to thank Pankaj sir for giving me this opportunity to stand here. Today, I am going to discuss a case study of e-commerce retail giant business, and it is the world's largest online retailer, and it is the 11th most searched site in the world. I am going to discuss a brand none other than Amazon. First of all, I would like to start with the explaining the hidden meaning in its logo. The arrow which goes from A to Z portrays the message that Amazon is ready to deliver any product anywhere in the world. First of all, I would like to start with the history of Amazon. It was started by Jeffrey P. Bezos in 1994. It went online in 1995 and they have introduced their IPO in May 1997. Actually, Amazon was started as an online bookstore to provide the rental storage of the book as an online retailer, but slowly they have expanded their business. What was the secret that at that time when many companies were getting failure in market as an online retailer, Amazon succeeded at that time? They have their certain strategy. First one was the diversification in the product. Second, they were the customer centric. They were technologically updated and innovation. They have tried innovation to their products and the market. They were very much working on the concept that customer is the king. There were growth they have their growth system which had certain rules. Outside traffic is there in Amazon, amazing listing is there, sale pricing is there, quick review is there, and the PPC traffic is there. So today we all should discuss that what was the special marketing strategy secret sauce which have helped Amazon to build an empire and established in the market. They were working on the concept that customer is the king, and they were not thinking about the other person and the competitors in the market. Recently, Amazon has announced their revenue generation and the net sales, and it was increased by 13%, that is $147.1 billion in 13 September on 13 September 2023, which was $127.1 billion in 2022. There is a graph of their net sales increment. In 2024, it was 6.92, which was increased to 8.49, and certainly they saw a gradual increment in their sale. And today in 2022, it was a data for some time before, it is 513.98. Amazon was so successful because they were working as a strategy, and they have followed some certain strategy that because it helps seller. Basically, Amazon is a third party platform where the sellers and buyers both come at the common ground for their profit motive. Amazon is successful because it helps buyer, as we have already discussed, that it is a customer centric brand, a customer centric company, not a brand. Amazon has a unique business model. They are following the unique business model which no other company is following nowadays. To keep up with everything, Amazon uses outsourcing services. Here is a third party seller business in Amazon. In 1999, it was 97%. In 2000, it was again 97%. In 2001, it increased to 6%, and this blue graph is 94%. Gradually, it increased, and in 2018, 58% was there as a third party sale, and 42% was there as a first party sale. This blue line shows the first party sale on Amazon, and the red line shows the third party sale on Amazon. Amazon have worked on 4 P's of marketing. First one was the product, price, place, and promotion. Amazon looks at the marketing mix of a company or brand which comprises the 4 P's on which Amazon has worked. This is the basically Amazon business model map where they are expanding their business to certain extent, in which there is the Amazon Prime which we all are using nowadays. Why Amazon Prime is so much successful? Because they are giving the premium content to their consumers. Audience are their content creators, and this cyclic process is going on. They are introducing their AWS, which is Amazon Web Services, in which business growth is there, enterprises are there, followed by developers and AI ML tools. Then after, the Amazon Prime have lower acquisition cost plus repeat customer, which help us to develop their business, that is first party platform. Lower acquisition cost plus repeat customer help to bring also the third party platform, where the consumers are so much obsessed with the Amazon brand, and they are the Amazon Prime is the highly requested product in the market as an entertainment source. Amazon used digital marketing strategy. Here it is explained. Amazon digital marketing strategy is a comprehensive, and they reach the customer according to through digital marketing. Today everyone is using social media, so Amazon has trapped their customer through social media and the social media platforms. There are certain social media like Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and the Facebook. We are explaining one by one all. First one is the Amazon digital marketing strategy process. What process is going on? Strategy one is develop customer persona, in which they are first targeting their audience segment, the customer segment which they are going to target. Strategy two, create thought leadership content, in which they record and analyze the customer and their need through the SEO system. And then strategy 3 is invest in organic channels. Firstly, they are trying to invest that what a customer is in need of. And the strategy 4 is they are using huge paid campaigns, in which they are analyzing the conversion rate, that how much customer they can convert into their actual customer, and how many percentage of potential customer is there in the market. First is the Amazon on Facebook. How Amazon is marketing on Facebook? There are up to 10 million people who are following Amazon on Facebook, and they are primarily using Facebook to share company news and advertising. They use a strong advertising to get the word out about its sale. Whenever they are launching a sale like Amazon Big Billion Sales, they are introducing all that on the Facebook platform. It also stays up to date by publishing posts on different topics. Then after, Amazon have also arrived to the Instagram advertisement, in which they are working interviews with artists from different background, and key advertising are the main part of Amazon's Instagram marketing plan. On Instagram also there are 2.8 million followers. The company's strategy for Instagram and Facebook are very similar, except that it does not post updates about the company news on either platform. They are using these platforms only for the advertisement purpose, but they are taking care of so much, they are maintaining the secrecy about the not revealing the strategy of the company, so that their customer can't get their advantage. Amazon not only limited to the Instagram or Facebook, it is also expanding its advertisement on Twitter, in which they are have different plan for getting customer and attract the customer through Twitter platform. It stays in touch with its follower using a wide range of content, holding contests to get new customer, and following and creating trends. Amazon is so much enrolled and involved in creating the content, and they are following the trend in which the market is running nowadays, so that they can attract maximum customer to their Twitter content. Makes it sound less like advertising and more like personal recommendation. Twitter is something different, which many people who are celebrity type, they are using Twitter, and at Twitter they are just not only advertising their products, but they are just recommending the product through artists and celebrities, so that the customer get attracted. Amazon is also on Pinterest. We have already seen more than million people follow Amazon on Pinterest, and they uses Pinterest to promote their product based on a wide range of theme to grab people's attention. It is just a grabbing the attention process. Amazon also using YouTube. The best thing about Amazon YouTube is that they immediately grab people's attention through the advertisement before any video. Amazon makes sure that its ads are always interesting and valuable. Most of the time is it does this by trying to make the customers feel special. The way Amazon uses digital marketing strategy is a very crucial role if we want to set up a business like an Amazon. To stay competitive, they should keep making more exciting content and putting it out in the best way possible. They are not letting their competitor overcome them and just let them come down. Competing in the retail industry is complex, and Amazon's marketing strategy has helped the company stay ahead of the competition. How to set up an online business like Amazon? With outsourcing experience and tracking Amazon's business decision, there is a possibility to learn a lot from Amazon. If you want to set up a new online business in the e-commerce niche, make sure you provide nothing but the best for your customers. That can mean offers from sponsored brands, quick support, quick delivery, etc. Why so much customer is obsessed with the Amazon? Because they are not giving products at an affordable price, but they are also providing the quick return policy for their customer, which is so much helpful for the customer to buy the product, and if they are not liking those products, they can easily return, which is not that much available on other e-commerce sites. The reason Amazon e-commerce store is successful is that they offer the best for buyers and sellers, and they allow people to review products and make informed decisions. Whenever we go to buy any product to the Amazon, we see the if we are not that much comfortable to buy that product, we can just go and take the review of that product which other customers have done before when they had bought the product. They also deliver everything super quickly, react to complaint and solve them as soon as possible. Now I am concluding this topic. So if we want to set up a business like an Amazon, then we will have to be customer centric, and as Amazon has updated themselves according to the changing environment of the market, we will also have to update according to the market, and we will first have to understand the market and the customer demand in the market. Then only we will be able to set up a business like an Amazon. Whenever we are coming to set up a business, we should follow a simple rule, which is customer is the king. We have not to argue with the customer, and we should never let customer feel demotivated or downgrade whenever they are purchasing product from us. That's all from my side. Thank you.